Hey guys, so this is starting off the B slot blocks. M1. Looks like it takes a little while to settle into it. Just a couple of things we're looking for. Remind us on the block. We're looking for a good build where it looks like an O, where we have you guys parallel. That looks nice. And at the start of the block, we want to see this grip move this way, like on a 16. And we want to see the 21 kind of finish there. And then halfway through the block, we need to see the cat lined up here. Now the timing, if we're still doing the cog, then Marconi, you should be following Felipe through. If we're just spinning together, then we need to have someone going over. Now, normally I have it would be Felipe going over in this slot, but that would be with them coming through slightly later. It may work out better to send Marconi over. You guys can work this out. If we're going to spin together, so if we're going to spin together, there needs to be a tiny vertical, and that vertical is only done by the person going over. So have a chat, see which way it seems to work out better, having done the block a couple of times. All right, so pretty good targets though on that one, guys. Let's be careful on the build, Fred, that we don't have that angle. We want to keep it completely lined up like an O. So you guys 90 degrees with each other, and Marconi and Manuel 90 degrees with each other. Be careful there, Felipe. You see that? We've got to get you stopped. So you want to finish where you start. So you want to be completely done there. Yeah, maybe you're just trying to get out of the way of Marconi. It's quite possible. So the actual spinning of the pieces, like the individual pieces, looks pretty good, guys. It looks like we're getting the pieces rotating around their center points, and it gets better and better through the session. And also the timing, Marconi, I like that, that cog, just having you really just following directly behind Felipe. That works out nicely. Again, we're trying to come to, let's not over-rotate Felipe and Manuel. We're not trying to go to the catch. We're trying to get to the point that we started. So if we see the other pair, we're not trying to go to them. We're just trying to end up in exactly the same spot as we started the block. So spin the pieces. So the goal here is to spin those pieces, and hopefully if we've done a good job of spinning them, that's what happens at the end. So pretty good for a B slot block, guys. I think the cog for now looks to be the most logical to keep going. It looks like Marconi has worked out the timing very nicely. So I would say keep it like this. Yeah, we definitely seem to end up with less hassles than when you guys are getting contact trying to go through at the same time.